You've done it! This is an amazing accomplishment. After completing this course, the next steps would depend on your specific goals and interests within the field of natural language processing. Here are some general next steps you might consider. Apply your knowledge. Start working on real-world NLP projects to apply the techniques and skills you've learned. This could involve tasks like data preprocessing, sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and text classification. Learn specialized areas. Depending on your interest, you might want to explore specialized areas of NLP, such as speech processing, language translation, summarization, dialogue systems, or multimodal NLP, combining text with images or audio. Keep learning, practicing, and exploring new areas within NLP based on your interests and career goals. Please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn and also join the Machine Learning Community group on LinkedIn as well. Thank you for taking the course, and remember, this is your moment.